Hey, I'm Dr. Jeremy Brook, and when I was in university, I experienced a massive injury while playing rugby, which resulted in a broken nose and skull, a mangled neck, separated shoulder, all within a 3-minute time span involving one botched tackle and one really good one. Now, the blessing of this injury was I discovered how powerful and potent the combination of a specific scientific chiropractic adjustment and a daily yoga practice could be with the recovery of my strength and my emotional health following this massive disconnecting trauma. Now for me, the disciplines of chiropractic and yoga, they're completely intertwined, 100% interconnected, and the way I approach the chiropractic adjustment structurally, psychologically, and energetically has always had a yogic influence and vibe. And that's why I created, crafted, and cultivated the Yoga of Chiropractic Adjusting Seminar, leveraging yoga's sacred step-by-step approach with its subtle, energetic, and alignment principles to get you connected to the centers within your spine and your heart and your hands, combined with chiropractic's renowned biomechanical short lever specificity. I created an adaptive adjusting style where you can consistently deliver adjustments with concentrated focus, harness speed, fluidity, and results. And most importantly, that's sustainable to you, meaning you're not going to walk away from a day of serving exhausted and beaten up. The Yoga of Chiropractic's mission is to help you, propel you to become more aligned, connected, and energized as chiropractors and as human beings. Let's be realistic. At the end of the day, you can be an incredible philosopher and scientist, social media sensation. But if you're not skilled in the art of connecting and inputting a precise 0.2 second fast thrust force into a 2-ounce bone, then you're limited in the number of people's lives you can shift towards a greater expression of health, well-being, performance, and potential. Fair enough? So imagine what it would look like if a highly connected yogi emerged from the sacred Ganges River, walked into her or his Chiro center, and delivered your adjustment. It would feel different, and the results would be extraordinary. And that could be you. And I can't wait to train with you. Have a great day.